So I'm with Sandy here with Horton Inc., leader in thermal control solutions. I'm here at TMC in Orlando, Florida, the trade show of trade shows for leading fleet professionals, vehicle manufacturers, and component suppliers. Today we'll be checking out some of the latest and greatest technologies in trucking and talking to some of Horton's experts to hear what are they hearing from customers and how suppliers like Horton can help provide support. One of the things that I wanted to know is just what are some of the things that fleets look for, things that are important to them?
Well, it all comes down to basically costs up front. You know, trucks today are very expensive, so they're looking at kind of their initial cost. And then uptime's everything. You know, they need to deliver the loads, take care of their customers, and then also a supplier that's going to support them. You know, somebody that's going to be there. They have a question or need something, they call, we'll follow up, we'll take care of them, and that's really what they're looking for. They want looking for a partnership.
All right, Fernando, so there's a lot of talk and conversation about electrification. It's this exciting topic, it's a buzzword within our industry. How is Horton preparing for electrification while also being there for our customers present day?
We're very excited about the new technologies that are out there, and we're investing heavily to make sure we're part of that narrative. We also understand, because there will be a time lag before that can be deployed, that we need to still focus on the programs and the activities that we have at our hand. We have a fantastic remanufacturing program that is helping the environment as well. We have complete modulation of products, for example, that allow us to apply the right speeds for the cooling purposes that again help for the emissions. We're excited about the future and we're completely involved with that narrative. However, we are not going to negate the current products and our customers and our partners.
That's a wrap on TMC 2023. Thanks for checking us out.